Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rene Enriquez with HomeSmart Real Estate here in Santa Clarita. Just wanted to take a quick moment to showcase our newest listing over in Valencia. This is going to be a home off of Via Princesa, Wiley Canyon, and Orchard Village, which is the Temple Track. Very popular community there. So let me go ahead and showcase it to you here if I can share my screen. All right, here we have it. I'm going to go straight to location first because it's all about location. So this home, like I said, in Valencia, this is going to be a very, very nice community, very mature, lots of trees, paseos all around. You're going to have close proximity to just about everything this great town has to offer. From great shopping, you got the mall up the street, not even a mile. You have Henry Mayo. If you go south, the big park you see down here, that's going to be Hart High School. Close proximity to the freeway. If you look out here to the left, you got the 5 freeway and Stevenson's Ranch and all the shopping that you see right off the freeway. This little green box that you see here, that's actually where we're going to be located. So you can see we're right off Orchard Village and Wiley Canyon. And this, again, my friends, this is going to be the Tempo Track. No HOAs, no MELLOS ROOS, which makes it fantastic. Let's zoom in here for a second so you can kind of see. Now, this little green belt that you see throughout where my little hand here is going, that's going to be the paseo. And for those of you not familiar with the paseos in this town, these are designed for people to take, little bike rides. You can go for jogs. You can walk on them without crossing any streets. You can go from one side or the other of town without crossing any streets. So you're going to go over or under the street. So it's very safe for kids to learn how to ride their bikes. The other great feature about this home, as you can see, here's my mouse, and you can see the little green box. This home is right at the end of the cul-de-sac, which makes another check mark that most buyers are looking for. So this home has a lot of the check marks that buyers are looking for, and I'm going to show you why here for a second. Not just the location here, but also the home is a pool home. So for those of you guys that right now are trying to beat the heat and try to go to your HOA pools and stuff, right now you can't do any of that. So you can do this in this nice private pool home, which is in a great location, like I said earlier. So let's go ahead and take a quick tour. I'm going to show you the pictures first. There is a virtual tour which you can use your VR goggles, and I'll showcase that to you here in a second. I can send you a link when you're ready. But this is the front of the house. You can see a great curb appeal. The home has been updated. We've done some updates since the last time it was listed. This home was listed before in the past, but we've done some upgrades. We moved some things around, so that way it looks a little bit better for folks. When you look at the property, this is the aerial view of the property. You can see that the pool is going to be on the side of the house, which I personally believe is a great feature to have. A lot of homes in this particular community, a lot of times when you go in the backyard, you open up that sliding door, all you're going to see is one big pool, and you don't have a whole lot of space. So this is a really nice touch to have the pool on the side of the house and also have a little bit of a backyard too as well. Now, the biggest difference you're going to notice if you go see this property now to when we took these pictures is this huge tree that you see in the back. The tree was in the neighbor's backyard, and they had to cut it down. Now, I'm very sad because I love trees, and I think that it was a really nice thing to have. It provides a lot of shade. But in contrary to that, this tree was actually dropping a lot of trash into your pool and getting into your filters. So it's actually a really good thing now. This tree is no longer there. When you look at the backyard, this grass area here is artificial turf, which is very low maintenance. You don't have to water it. It's going to stay nice for a very long time. You can have this little wall thing you see here on the other side of the wall. That's for you to, it's not finished yet, but it's for a barbecue. It's a barbecue place there. You can go ahead and finish that out to your taste. To the right-hand side of my screen here, the picture, you'll see the other wall there. Right behind that, that's going to be your pool equipment, and you can, it also has some storage area there for your pool toys and things like that. So big enough. It's a really nice sized backyard, big enough for entertaining and enjoying a nice summer afternoon here in Santa Clarita. When you look at the home, when you enter this house, one of the things you're going to notice is a lot of light throughout the whole entire house. The home feels very spacious. It's got newer crown molding, newer baseboards. The plantation shutters are new as well. This is another one of the check marks that a lot of the buyers these days are looking for, is something that is nice and bright. Here's another picture of the living room and the dining room area. Very nice touch there with the crown molding. And then also the recessed lightings out there. Those are additions to this particular place. Those were installed by the seller. So a lot of little upgrades that most people, when you go see a house, a lot of times as buyers, we might miss. If you were to go look at this home when it was all original, you'll find, oh, wait a minute, there's no recessed lightings, there's no plantation shutters, no baseboards, no crown molding and things. So these are little touches that, believe it or not, are very, very expensive, and sometimes they're easy to miss. The kitchen was completely upgraded too as well, as you can see here in this picture. Upgraded stainless steel appliances, which do come with the house. Also very nice and bright, and you have a really nice view of the backyard pool area. So if you are going to be working in the kitchen, maybe preparing something for dinner or lunch, and you want to keep an eye on those kids in the pool, you can do so from these windows. From here, you get a view of the family room and the kitchen, creating what they like to call these days a great room, right? So this is a nice area for entertainment, because from these sliding doors, you're going to go straight to the artificial turf area and in the pool area. So if you're entertaining, you have a family gathering, this is perfect, right off the kitchen and the family room. When you go upstairs, you're going to find the 4 bedrooms upstairs, and the bedrooms are really nice size bedrooms, but you also have a loft area. And this particular area, it's really a huge plus to have, whether you're going to be making, maybe you're going to be making, be doing an office space here, or maybe a game room. Definitely gives you additional square footage here to hang out. Now, this is one of the only rooms that does not have carpet. This will have the wood floors. The master bedroom, as you can see, nice size, very nice and bright. It does have a balcony here in the front, as you can see, and then you have the master bath straight ahead there. Now, this carpet that you see here is actually brand new carpet. It was just recently installed. You can see the larger baseboards there on the floor. Another one of the bedrooms. Now, the garage is another one of my favorite features in this particular home, because it has the epoxy floors. If you like cars, or you like to, maybe do some hobbies, you have some crafts that you like to do, this makes it a great place. It offers a lot of storage. There is a air compressor that will be staying with the property. As you can see, there's the piping there for it, the hosing, I mean. And it's already there. You have the electrical, upgraded electrical. You have a lot of lighting, the toolbox, and that whole board, and all that stays with the property. So this makes it a great place for somebody that has some off-roading vehicles, maybe a boat, some toys that they like to work on the weekends. Great garage for that. Another view of the backyard. You see the artificial turf. And this is what you're gonna be walking out to every single day. As you can see, it looks very, very pretty, very mature, a lot of trees, great curb appeal. Your neighbors, definitely pride of ownership. They all take care of their homes. It looks very nice when you walk out. This is the balcony from off the master bath upstairs. Aerial shot of Valencia. You can see Henry Mayo there down the big building there. Now, this is the park that I was talking about earlier, which is right down the Paseo. You have a pool and some tennis courts, and you also have a playground for the little ones. And again, this will take a few minutes to get to right down the Paseo. And there's some basketball courts too. I've missed those. Here's the tennis courts that I was talking about. And here's a look at the Paseo. So just imagine yourself walking up and down these Paseos, going for a long walk, especially days like now with our with COVID-19, where this is a lot of the activities that most folks are doing nowadays, just going for a walk. This is a great little path. And like I said earlier, this can take you all the way up to the north side of Valencia, which is right off of Copper Hill. You can go down to like Newhall, down Alliance Avenue, go do some shopping and come back home. You can take this Paseo up to that little first shopping center that I was showing you earlier, where Ralph's is going to be at. So it's the location is just a wonderful location here. And come on, I mean, look at this picture. It's just, it's amazing. It's an amazing little Paseo there for people to enjoy. Now I'm going to show you how to use the, so if you're out of state, maybe you can't make it, you can't reach out to me and say, hey, I want to go see this home in person. One of the things you can do is you can use our Matterport technology that we use in all of our homes that we list. And what this does for you is you can either use the VR goggles and take a tour of this home yourself, because it will allow you to pretty much look at the whole entire home. Or if you don't have VR goggles, you can do exactly what I'm doing right now. And you can just use your mouse. You can look up and down. You can go to any room you want to. Right? You can zoom in, zoom out. I can go to the kitchen if I want to from here. I can check out the family room. Now you can see the furniture that we had earlier is missing, no longer there. That's because these folks are on the process of moving. You know, you can see the kitchen view. You can look at everything in the kitchen. The only thing this thing can do is open up the counters there so you can see what's in there, right? But other than that, you can take a tour throughout the whole entire house. You can go upstairs, downstairs. Hope this gives you an idea of this great opportunity. I hope to see you soon. I hope you give us a call, because I do believe this home is not going to be on the market for too long. So if you're looking for a great location, great pool home, at a good price, we're only listed at $675. Call us. We can schedule you in, give you a private tour of the location, and we can go from there. Thank you guys for being here with me and checking out this home. We'll talk to you soon.